Thutha wa audio recording iria itigĩte Akenya mamakĩte na gwĩtigĩrwo na kwaragia na thimũ, rĩu Triza mamake Mũraya nĩarĩkia kũrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ya kũhoya mũhera kũrĩ Akenya, arata ake oro ũndũ ũmwe na brats iria arutithanagia nacio wĩra, akiuga kĩrĩa gĩacũngĩrĩirie arie mĩario ĩyo yothe nĩ ruo na marakara kuona nĩ emotions ciamũdraivire na ikĩmũhatĩrĩria nginyagia akĩaria. Oho nĩaherete mũno kũrĩ andũ arĩa mamũnyitĩrĩire hĩndĩ ĩrĩa akinyĩte handũ nginya ngoro yake ĩkainama, akĩhoya ũrekeri kuma kũrĩ andũ othe na makĩria mafans ake, gĩ-quote ũrĩa andĩka page-inĩ yake ya Facebook. Long post alert. Dear fans, things happen and we learn. On this I chose to take it as a lesson which I hold dearly moving forward. I apologize for any misunderstanding or unintended offense that this order of events have caused you, my fans and brands that I support. My fans, you have been my source of inspiration and strength during my most difficult times or moments. You saw a woman who was bleeding, broken and looked down upon and fought for her. And on that, I'm ashamed of my actions. On that fateful day, emotions ran high, my past experience took control, and pressure from outside took over. Consumed by frustrations and anger, I could not hold it anymore. My actions have not only impacted you, my fans, but have also cast a shadow on the brats who trusted in me and my family at large. I extend my heartfelt regret to you all. This apology is meant to absolve me of responsibility, but to acknowledge the pain I have caused. I'll work tirelessly to learn from this experience, to grow as a person, and to never repeat such a harm again. Yours in the most, Triza mamake Mũraya. No Triza nĩaingĩra comment section-inĩ yake na quote Bible verse in the book of Luke 17:3-4. Take heed to yourself. If your brother sins, rebuke him. And if he repeats, forgive him. And if he sins against you 7 times in the day, and turn to you 7 times, and he repent, you need to forgive him. Na mafans nĩ marũmĩrĩra Triza thĩinĩ wa comment section na kũruta mawoni magĩkũmithia gĩko gĩkĩ mũno, aingĩ makiuga rĩu Triza nĩariganĩrwo na ihenya mũno ũrĩa arata ake marũgamĩte nake, na arĩa angĩ makiuga Triza nĩabatiĩ kũmind ciugo ciake mbere ya kuga na kana gũciruta na kanua gake, and these are some of their comments. Your apology should first and foremost be directed to the people who stood by you when your world was falling apart. You apologizing to Brad says a lot about you. Apologize to Waja in person. You just wronged her too much. Hatukatai emotions can overwhelm you, but you went overboard to tarnish and destroy people who protected you at goodwill. Make a public apology to Waja Rose. This woman has stood by you through thick and thin. The people that recorded you still have more recordings. Ulinaswa, and your hubby is the master of the game. I don't know how you will redeem yourself from this. Give Waja, Esther, Baby Top, personal calls, then write the apologies in public. Good luck Triza mamake Mũraya. Thiĩ na mbere na gũikara ũguo gwa Kikuyu Hot News TV. Wakorwo ũrĩ wa mbere kũmenya marĩa marakunũka marĩ mahiũ, matarĩ marahora, mamenywo nĩ mbarĩ ya Nyamenya Magagae. Stay tuned for more updates.